What are the benefits of having a system that enables you to have real-time visibility of your accounts payable balances? Let's dig into this subject. Well, first of all, it helps you improve your cash flow management. What I mean is that you can monitor the health of your working capital on a daily basis and not wait until the end of the month reporting when all the works are squeezed in just a couple of days. This is an important topic, especially for those types of companies who are operating on low margins and need to constantly monitor the health of their working capital. The second benefit is better vendor relationship management. By keeping track of your payables in real time, you can ensure that payments are made on time, which helps maintain strong relationships with your suppliers and service providers. This is particularly important in those types of companies where reliable vendor relationships are key to smooth operations. And the third main benefit is operational efficiency. A live accounts payable system reduces the need for manual checks and reconciliations. This leads to faster processing times and reduces the risk of human error. Well, there are many other hidden benefits like improved financial planning and better preparation for audit, but we are not going to go in those details in this video. Now let's jump to the demonstration of how we automated the accounts payable for one of our customers. Step number one is recording the accrual of expenses. This system was created for a freight forwarding company, but the principles are quite similar for the majority of company types. The accrual of expenses are recorded against individual order of a customer. Company representative that has direct interaction with vendor opens a specific customer order and records the details like amount, currency, chooses the vendor from the drop-down list, and also indicates the number of days in which the amount needs to be repaid after the service delivery is completed. Step number two is attaching the vendor invoice. Now, when the service delivery is complete, we indicate the date when this happened. This action triggers the increase in accounts payable. And then we attach an invoice that was sent by the vendor. In the meantime, the accounting staff can see the attached document in a different environment. Now she needs to validate the invoice that was sent by the vendor. The validation process ensures that there are minimum to no human errors. She opens the invoice file and prepares it for the bank transaction, indicating invoice number, invoice amount, chooses the IBAN of the vendor and clicks the finalized button. Step number three is making a bank transfer. The person in charge of making payments filters all those invoices that are ready to be paid. She can select multiple invoices at once and clicks the Generate Bank Transfer button. Corresponding payment order will be immediately created in the company's internet bank thanks to the internet bank integration system that we have developed. Once the payment goes through, the system will remove corresponding invoice from the payables. As a result, we get a detailed and live dashboard of creditors where payables are grouped into their aging categories. You can choose any date in the past and can see the balances at any chosen date. Here you can filter only those payables that are invoiced or those that are incurred and not yet invoiced. Now, compared to the debtors management system, accounts payable management is easier because normally companies have much less vendors compared to the number of customers.